PR equation. To find pedal equation of a curve from its Cartesian equation method. First step. Given equation of the curve is y is equal to fx or f of xy is equal to 0. Differentiate equation number 1 with respect to s and obtain the value of dy by dx. Second step. Find the value of p. P means length of perpendicular from the origin to the tangent is given by the formula p is equal to modulus of y minus x into dy by dx divided by square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Call this as equation number 2. We know that r square is equal to x square plus y square, which is the relation between x, y and r. From equation 1, 2, 3, eliminate x and y term to get the pedal equation. Example 1. Find the PR equation of the rectangular hyperbola x square minus y square is equal to a square. Solution. The equation of curve is x square minus y square is equal to a square. Call this as equation number 1. Differentiate equation number 1 with respect to x. We get 2x minus derivative of y square 2y into dy by dx, which is equal to 0. Again simplify it. This implies 2y into dy by dx is equal to 2x. Again this implies dy by dx is equal to 2x divided by y. Hence dy by dx is equal to x by y. Now p is equal to length of perpendicular from the origin to the tangent, which is equal to modulus of y minus x into dy by dx divided by square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. In this equation, substitute the value of dy by dx, that is modulus of y minus x into, here substitute the value of dy by dx, that is x by y, whole divided by square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square, that is x by y whole square. Simplify numerator by taking LCM as y. Multiply first term by LCM, y into y gives y square, minus second term denominator contains LCM, multiply a numerator by 1. 1 into x square gives x square, whole divided by, simplify a denominator by taking LCM as y square actually, multiply first term by y square plus second term denominator contains LCM, it means multiply a numerator by 1. 1 into x square gives x square. Again here simplify both the numerator and denominator. First we simplify numerator actually here. There is a modulus of y square minus x square divided by y whole divided by, here denominator is of the form square root of p by q form, which can be written as square root of p divided by square root of q. That is square root of numerator x square plus y square divided by square root of y square, that is y. Here y and y get cancels. In the numerator, remaining term is modulus of y square minus x square divided by square root of x square plus y square, which is equal to modulus of minus a square divided by square root of x square plus y square. Here in a numerator we use equation number 1. Again simplify it, which is equal to modulus of minus a square means a square divided by square root of r square, because x square plus y square is equal to r square. Hence p is equal to numerator a square as it is divided by square root of r square, that is r. Simplifying, we get PR is equal to a square, which is the required PR equation. Second example, find the pedal equation of the curve x square plus y square is equal to 2ax, or show that pedal equation of the curve x square plus y square is equal to 2ax is equal to r square is equal to 2ap. The equation of curve is x square plus y square is equal to 2ax. Call this as equation number 1. Differentiate equation number 1 with respect to x. Derivative of x square 2x plus the derivative of y square 2y into dy by dx, which is equal to derivative of RHS. In RHS, 2a is a constant, take it out. Derivative of x means 1. 2a into 1 gives 2a. In this equation, 2 is a common factor, remove it. This implies x plus y into dy by dx, which is equal to a. Here, transform x to right hand side, we get the value of y into dy by dx, which is equal to a minus x. Solve this equation and obtain the value of x. This implies dy by dx, which is equal to a minus x divided by y. Next, now p is equal to length of perpendicular from the origin to the tangent, which is equal to modulus of y minus x into dy by dx divided by square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. In this equation, substitute the value of dy by dx and simplify both the numerator and denominator. First, let us simplify a numerator. There is modulus of y minus x into the value of dy by dx, a minus x divided by y whole divided by square root of 1 plus a minus x divided by y whole square. In a numerator, find LCM. LCM is y. Multiply first term by LCM. Y into y gives y square. And second term denominator contains LCM. We have to multiply a numerator by 1. At the same time, take minus x inside. Minus x into a gives minus ax. Minus x into minus x gives plus x square. Whole divided by. Here simplify a denominator. In a denominator, again find LCM. LCM is equal to y square. Multiply first term by LCM. 1 into y square gives y square. Plus second term denominator contains LCM. Multiply numerator by 1. 1 into a minus x square divided by y square, which is equal to, here keep a numerator as it is, modulus of x square plus y square minus ax divided by y, and here simplify a denominator. Here the denominator can be written as square root of y square plus a minus x whole square, or square root of y square plus expand the second term, a minus x whole square means a square plus x square minus 2 times of ax. It means in second term we use a expansion formula, divided by square root of y square means that is y. Here y and y get cancels. Again here simplify numerator as well as denominator. That is x square plus y square. From equation number 1, its value is 2ax minus ax divided by square root of, in a denominator once again use the same values, x square plus y square, which is equal to 2ax plus the remaining term plus a square minus 2ax. In a denominator, plus 2ax minus 2ax get cancels. Remaining term is only square root of a square. And in numerator, remaining term is modulus of ax. Modulus of ax divided by square root of a square, which is equal to, modulus of ax means ax divided by square root of a square means that is a, because square and root terms get cancels. In RHS, a and a get cancels. Hence the value of p is unknown. Hence p is equal to x. P means length of perpendicular. Call this as equation number 2. Next, we know that x square plus y square is equal to r square. This implies, here in this equation use equation number 1. From equation number 1, x square plus y square is equal to 2ax. That is 2ax is equal to r square. Again this implies 2ap is equal to r square, because the value of x is equal to p. Yes, which is the required Padel equation.